from Bug Eye Guys. This is a rusty seat tray. If you're rebuilding the seats on your Bug Eye, you probably want to be thinking you need one of these. This is a nice new one, and this is the way many of them come out of the cars. Of course, people left their cars out in the rain back in the old days, and the rain would get under the foam and sit in here and rust, and you lose the rigidity, so you can't really clip onto this very effectively. Not to mention that they're pretty messy and they will make a mess out of your nice new foam. This one in particular, somebody tried to repair probably in the 70s by adding a pop riveted strip along here, but now, you know, it's basically done, and they get pretty soft in the back too. That they tend to fracture along here. So the answer is really to use a new seat base tray when you're rebuilding your seats. I happen to be a huge advocate of the new foam that we sell as well, because it's much more plump and it adds a lot of comfort. And now that all of us are over 30, we need all the suspension we can get out of the seat foam. You know, comfort is a little more important than it was back when we were all teenagers. So new foam is important, and a new tray can be very important as well. And you can find all this in our catalog at Bug Eye Guys.